Hey, it's Joe Camposano, Camposano Insurance, with your insurance information in a minute or two. Hey, listen, today is a good one because I just got off the phone with a client of mine he's a great guy, he's a great client of ours. I love him. He's very busy. We're very busy, and he's got a lot of policies with us. But he got one or two of his policies actually were late on his payments, and we got a little frustrated because he couldn't get a hold of here at the office. Don't forget, we have over 4,600 active clients ourselves, so we're a little busy. We get back to everybody, but typically, you're if you can't get a hold of us and you really need to get a hold of something for a payment, you can always. We have it set up specifically that you can call the insurance company direct, give them your policy number, go to the billing department, and make your payments direct. It's actually faster if you do it. Because when I get the information, or Sherry or anybody in the office gets the information, what we do is we take it down and we call the company, we do the same thing. It just takes a little bit more time. So always remember that if you're insured with our office, we already set it up so that in the event you can't get a hold of us, including on the weekends, hey, we're out doing things too. If you can't get a hold of us, you can always call the insurance company directly with your policy number. Make sure you remember that because, I know sometimes everybody gets busy. We're busy, you're busy. We do our very best to get back to you within a day, but please always remember that you can always contact the company direct as well for payments. Even on the weekends, hey, you're lucky enough to go buy a new car. I don't know what the price of gas today you're buying, but if you get a new car and you can't get a hold of us, you can always call the carrier direct. If you have any questions or any information you want to find out more about that, call us 732-892-8826 or go to jcamposano.com. Everybody stay safe, okay?